You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to clear browsing history on a Samsung phone, whether you use Samsung Internet or Chrome. For Samsung Internet, open the app and tap the three-line menu icon. Tap on Settings, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Tap on Delete Browsing Data. Check the box for browsing history. You can also select other data like cookies or cached files. Tap Delete Data and confirm. For Google Chrome, open the Chrome app. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right. Tap History. You will see your browsing history. Tap Clear Browsing Data at the bottom. Select the time range, like last hour or all time. Ensure browsing history is checked. Tap Clear Data. To automatically clear history on exit, in Samsung Internet, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, and enable Delete Browsing Data on exit. In Chrome, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Clear Browsing Data, and select Advanced. At the bottom, tap Always Clear when you close Chrome. This keeps your browsing private. You can also use private browsing mode in either browser to avoid saving history. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.